What?
I ate it.
Show me. What's it say?
It's not good.
What does that say?
I.
No. What does that say?
This is I.
No.
No.
What does it say?
This is K.
Yes.
What's this?
Try it.
What's that?
H
H. What's that?
L
L. L. O.
O
E.
E.
R.
Do it again.
R.
There's no R. It was E. You were right.
E.
Do it again.
E.
Okay. What's the first one? Do it again. Tell me what it says.
Can't.
What does it say?
It says Chloe.
It says Chloe.
Yeah. I'm playing my bell graph. What is this?
What is it?
I don't know.
Try it.
I can't. You.
You know what it says.
No, you.
It says Chloe Scott.
This is Chloe Scott.
Yes. Don't fold it. Don't fold it.